What is up, you guys? Okay, today, so it's gonna be a really quick get ready with me video. This is a Valentine's daytime or date night look. It's just a Valentine's date look, you know. So I was really getting ready, so excuse my background. It's a mess because when girls get ready, the room looks like a tornado went through it. Like, stuff is everywhere. So this is real life me getting ready to go out for Valentine's Day. So you want to see what I come up with? Then keep watching. Going in with Saddle by MAC. This is a super old eyeshadow, but I swear it's the best transition color ever invented. Now I'm going to go in with Anastasia palette, the Mario palette, and I'm using the color Spoiled on my lid, but to make that color more pigmented and pop, okay, I'm taking my NYX primer and I put that all over the lid. Prime with my Fenty Beauty and use my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 300. With my Tarte Creaseless Concealer and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, I mix these two together and highlight it. Taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep, and I'm going to contour. So now going in with my ColourPop bronzer and set where I contour. So this is the final look. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that stuff. I'm really running late, but I love you guys. Bye.